You know, one of the coolest parts of the day is today we go on a road trip, our first road trip. And I get to choose which one I'm going to take. For a road trip on gas, it's my wife's CLA 250. But the ride isn't as comfortable because if anyone has driven these, you'll see that the tires are not, the suspension and the tires are not that comfortable. Or we can take her, which I'm leaning more towards. Definitely going to take the Jeep. It's a little bit more comfortable. It's about a 3-hour ride. We're going to Atlantic City. And I think she's ready for her first road trip. What do you guys think? First road trip in the Jeep. Let's do it. So first road trip in the Jeep. But first, I got to wait for the wife to get her nails done because, of course, can't go to Atlantic City without fresh nails. So now we wait.
2 hours later.
I refuse to go in there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Well, I'm kind of glad that we took the Jeep today because the weather is not cooperating too much. So looks like we got some rain. At least it's not snow. But yeah, the Mercedes does good in the rain too. I just figured this would be a more comfortable ride. And like I said, it's our first road trip, so that's pretty exciting. But yeah, we're finally on the road and on the way down. Hopefully the weather gets a little bit better. But we'll see. Hey guys, so since we're on the highway, this is the first time taking it on the highway. I want to talk a little bit about the road noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I know we got the rain also, but the road noise is because it's a box on wheels, and I think most of you know this already. The wind is really like cutting up against the Jeep, and I definitely know that that's what's affecting the gas mileage. You know, it's definitely. It's fighting more to cut through the wind. I can feel it than my Grand Cherokee used to. But yeah, that's it's pretty interesting. We're gonna stop to fill up for gas soon, and then we'll see when's the next time we're gonna have to stop for gas after that. So basically, if I want to drown the noise out, you're just gonna have to raise the volume on the radio and just forget about it. I know that there's some headliners you can buy to kind of kill the noise a little bit, and it's supposed to damper some of the road noise too. But even with the hard top, I think if we had the soft top, it would be worse. But with the hard top, there definitely is some noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. And then obviously the rain hitting up against the windshield. Kind of sucks that the weather isn't really cooperating with us today, but we're still gonna have a good time. Head down to Atlantic City, do a couple room reviews for you guys, because you know that's really what the channel is really about. And yeah, just stay tuned. That's illegal. Thank you. That's good pizza. A lot of people sleep on Pizza Hut. It's really good pizza. I'm gonna probably upset some people, but I like it better than Domino's. But it's hard to get Pizza Hut. finally made it to Atlantic City. Just getting off the exit now on the expressway. And yeah, excited to get this weekend started in Atlantic City, New Jersey.